I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on. As you can see, if I start the car, by the way, this is a 2014 Toyota Avalon hybrid, and as you can see, maintenance required light is on. So now we go to trip A, and then what you do is you hold it at trip A. Oh, sorry. You go to trip A. You can turn the car all the way off. And you put it at, you press the ignition switch. You can do it with one hand. Hold the ignition switch. No, I'm sorry. You hold, press it once. You get it to A. You hold it at A. You just start holding on to that. And now you just press once, twice, 3 times. And now like you can see, it's resetting maintenance data. And boom, should be good now. Now let's start the car. As you can see, it's all reset and no more maintenance light. All right, if this video helped you guys, make sure you like the video and you subscribe to my channel.